We're thinking green, Sterling Green, once again in the latest city initiative. Flagman Snapshot, I'm Marissa Russo. The City of Sterling Heights is proud to announce the launch of another Think Sterling Green initiative, the Sterling Heights Electric Vehicle Fleet Pilot Program, a groundbreaking initiative aimed at ushering in a new era of sustainable and cost-effective municipal transportation. With a focus on reducing operational costs, carbon emissions, and maintenance expenditures, this program is set to transform the city's vehicle fleet, making it more environmentally friendly and economically sustainable. The pilot program was approved by Sterling Heights City Council on October 16th and will be rolled out in the spring of 2024. As part of the program, the city will be introducing a variety of electric vehicles into the city's municipal fleet, including a police pursuit vehicle, electric light-duty trucks, an SUV, and a sedan. After a year in service, city administration will measure and evaluate pilot program metrics to determine whether EVs should be expanded across the city's more than 200 vehicle fleet. City administration will be providing regular updates on the progress of the EV fleet pilot program, the deployment of our 34 new EV charging stations across the community, and other initiatives as the city continues to roll out its Think Sterling Green Sustainability Master Plan. For more information regarding this project, visit sterlingheights.gov. For Snapshot, I'm Marissa Russo.